Today I'm going to show y'all how I transformed my setup from this to this and how you can do it too. See, I was contemplating ending the video right here at this moment. I honestly had so many things on my desk that I wasn't using, and it just made my whole entire setup look really messy. I ended up getting these cable holders, and I also got a cable sleeve. And then I also went to Best Buy to get some cable straps just in case. I also wanted to add a little hint of RGB to my desk, but when I saw the price of the Phillips strips, man, I ran. These things cost $175 for some LED strips. That's robbery. So I went with the Wiz ones that were $14. I started off immediately by taking everything apart and wiping things down. Look at all that dust, y'all. I have neglected this desk for far too long. Now I need Heater to help me.
I'm here to help.
I've called him back up. Just kidding, guys. I'm editing this out so that it looks like I did everything by myself. And you can too. For a lazy guy like me, this is a nightmare. Nightmare, nightmare, nightmare. I just wish I could go, make my desk clean, boom, and it's there. But no, okay? This is what it's gonna take. What the hell is this?
Bruh.
Ew.
What?
The freaking pillow you got under there is so bad.
Oh. I thought you found my boogers.
What? Where do you put your boogers?
I freak them.
Bruh.
Man, this video's over. Bootleg. One thing, y'all, to make this setup look a little cleaner is I bought me a new keyboard. It's wireless too, so less wires. So this is the Logitech. I got the clicky ones because I like the clickiness. ASMR. Alright, so what I did was, for this Ethernet cord, is I wrapped it up with some Velcro, because it was way too long, and I put the power strip, basically where everything's gonna be plugged in. I got a net under here, and conveniently I just never used it, and so that's where most stuff is gonna go. So right now, for smaller cords, I got this one, and basically it's like cord holders, so the cords aren't, you know, wobbling everywhere. So I have this Daft Punk thing I've had in this poster I've had in my closet, and I never really hung it up, so I think I'm gonna put it right here. I think that'll look good right there, actually. So get you some command strips, y'all. Not sponsored though. Command strips sponsored me. I tried to keep everything as organized as I could, and I ran the wires through the back and through the wire holders so that I had no excess wires hanging around. Alright, that was a pain in the butt. But, speaking of butt, it's looking pretty good. We just need to add a little final touches, a little pizzazz. Yeah, now you gotta get the pizzazz in there, so we're gonna, you know, rig the back, maybe even the side. What do you think? Like from the back to the side here, corner? Bro, this thing's a workout. Let me just say, if you plan on revamping and doing wire management, be prepared to have some patience. 2 hours later. I mean, this looks awesome, man. Yeah, yeah. Dang, I've never had a setup this clean before, y'all. Like, my setups have always been like cords everywhere. Look at that, that's crazy. There's, honestly, going wireless is the best thing I've ever done because look at this. Like, no mouse wire, no keyboard wire. Boom, everything works, everything's ready. Let's go. Yo, I'm looking swole from this angle. Yo, that lighting's good. We're not done yet because two things. One, hold on. How could I forget? So sorry. Boom. Let's not forget the ambiance. Let me show you about the ambiance. Okay, we got ambiance. Alright, we got ambiance. So I was saying the reason I'm not quite done yet is because my desktop, as you can see, is also very unorganized. So the last thing for this setup to be complete is, yeah, that's how I'm trying to make it look, is to get this looking just a lot more organized. I have so much stuff on here that like I need to get rid of. There it is, y'all. The dream setup. The no wires except for those. Don't look at those. But I mean, from here, pretty much no wires. All right, y'all. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the setup transformation, the cleanup, and the whole process. If you did, then subscribe, leave a like, and leave me a comment down below if this is clean, or you know what, you have no choice. This is clean. You can't even lie. All right, y'all. Peace.